Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what would happen if every star suddenly vanished? Not exploded, not burned out over billions of years, just gone in a single instant. No stars, no constellations, no Milky Way stretching across the darkness. Only black emptiness. Tonight, we're exploring one of the most terrifying and fascinating thought experiments in astronomy. What if every star in the universe suddenly disappeared? And more importantly, would humanity survive? At first, you might think nothing would happen immediately. And, surprisingly, you'd be right. Because of the speed of light, the Sun is approximately 150 million kilometers away from Earth. Its light takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach us. That means if the Sun vanished right now, Earth wouldn't know for more than 8 minutes. The sky would appear perfectly normal. Birds would continue flying. People would continue driving. And life would carry on as if nothing had happened. But then, 8 minutes and 20 seconds later, everything changes. The Sun disappears from the sky instantly. Day becomes night, not twilight, not sunset, pure darkness. The moon vanishes too. After all, it only shines because it reflects sunlight. Every planet in our solar system becomes invisible. The entire sky turns black. But that's not the worst part. The moment Earth's last sunlight arrives, the Sun's gravity disappears as well. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, gravitational changes travel at the speed of light. So Earth suddenly loses the force that keeps it in orbit. Instead of circling the Sun, our planet shoots into space in a straight line, like a stone released from a sling. For the first few days, humanity might survive. Cities would switch to artificial lighting. Power grids would remain operational. Most people would still have food, water, and shelter. But Earth's temperature would begin falling rapidly. Without sunlight, our planet loses its primary source of energy. Within a week, the average global temperature would drop below freezing. Many crops would die. Photosynthesis would stop. The food chain would begin collapsing. After 1 year, Earth's average temperature could fall to around minus 73 degrees Celsius. Oceans would begin freezing from the surface. Massive ice sheets would spread across continents. Most plant life would be extinct. Many animal species would follow. Only the most adaptable forms of life would remain. But Earth wouldn't become a completely frozen ball. Deep beneath the surface, something extraordinary happens. The planet's core remains incredibly hot. Temperatures inside Earth's core exceed 5,000 degrees Celsius. That internal heat could sustain underground ecosystems. Humans might survive in geothermal shelters. Massive underground cities could emerge, powered by nuclear reactors and geothermal energy. The surface would be deadly. But beneath the ice, civilization might continue. Now let's zoom out even further. Remember, this isn't just the Sun disappearing. Every star in the universe has vanished. The nearest star to our solar system is Proxima Centauri. It's more than 4 light-years away. That means we'd continue seeing it for 4 years after it disappeared. Then it would blink out forever. Other stars would vanish one by one, like cosmic lights turning off across the universe. The Milky Way would slowly disappear. Its hundreds of billions of stars would fade over thousands of years. Distant galaxies would continue shining for millions of years. Some for billions. The farther away an object is, the longer its final light takes to reach us. The universe would essentially become a giant countdown clock. Every year, another piece of the cosmos would vanish. Eventually, no visible stars would remain. No galaxies, no nebulae, no cosmic landmarks. Only darkness. A universe without stars is a universe without new energy. Without stars, there are no planetary systems, no sunlight, no stellar nurseries, no future civilizations developing around distant suns. In many ways, stars are the engines of existence. Every atom heavier than hydrogen was forged inside stars. the calcium in your bones, the oxygen you breathe, the iron in your blood, all were created in ancient stellar furnaces. Without stars, humanity would never have existed, neither would Earth. But perhaps the strangest consequence would be psychological. For thousands of years, humans have looked toward the stars. They guided explorers, inspired religions, created myths, and sparked scientific revolutions. The stars helped define our place in the universe. Without them, the night sky becomes an empty void, a reminder that we're drifting alone through unimaginable darkness. Fortunately, this scenario is purely hypothetical. Stars aren't going anywhere anytime soon. Our sun still has roughly 5 billion years of life remaining. The Milky Way continues to shine with hundreds of billions of stars, and every night, the universe reminds us how vast and incredible it truly is. The next time you look up at the night sky, take a moment to appreciate what you're seeing. Those tiny points of light are not just stars. They are the reason you exist. They are the story of the universe written in light. And without them, there would be nothing left to see. Thanks for watching The Human Lens. If you enjoyed this journey through the cosmos, subscribe and join us for more explorations of humanity, Earth, and the universe. Until next time, keep looking up.